Good morning, students. Now, after the D block elements, let us start with F block elements. Now, what are F block elements? These are the elements in which the incoming electron, which is also called differentiating electron, enters n-2 f orbital. These are also called inner transition elements. Depending upon whether that electron enters 4f or 5f orbital, F block elements have been classified into two blocks, namely 4f block elements, also called lanthanoids or lanthanones, and second is 5f block elements, also called actinoids or actinodes. These elements are located in group 3 and have been given a separate place at the bottom of the periodic table. These are the lanthanoids. Here in this table, element name, symbol and atomic numbers are given. So lanthanoids are from lanthanum to lutetium, and these are actinoids starting from actinium to lawrencium. Now electronic configuration. The valence shell electronic configuration of the atoms of these elements is represented as n-2f 1 to 14, n-1d 0 to 1 and ns2. This corresponds to the filling of 4f and 5f subshells respectively. In the atoms of 4f block elements, the incoming electron enters 4f orbital. A group of 15 such elements from lanthanum to lutetium constitute this series. So, the lanthanoid elements constitute the first inner transition series. Similarly, in the atoms of 5f block elements, the incoming electron enters the 5f orbitals, or you can say 5f orbital is being progressively filled. A group of 15 elements from actinium to lawrencium constitute this series. This actinoid elements constitute the second inner transition series. Let us talk about their atomic and ionic sizes. As the atomic number increases, each element contains one more electron in the 4f orbital and one proton in the nucleus. The 4f electrons are ineffective in screening the outer electrons from the nucleus, means they cause imperfect shielding. As a result, there is a gradual increase in the nuclear attraction for the outer electrons and so gradual decrease in size. This is called lanthanoid contraction. Now here is a question. Explain the cause and consequences of lanthanoid contraction. Now let us first talk about the cause. The cause is poor shielding effect of F electrons. And the consequences? First is there is close resemblance between the 4d and 5d transition series, or you can say the radii of the members of third transition series is similar to the corresponding members of second transition series. Second constituent is difficulty in the separation of lanthanoids as they occur together in nature. And third is the basic strength of hydroxides of lanthanoids decreases from left to right in the series. This happens because ionic radii decreases and hence covalent character of MOH bond increases. One more very important question. Why zirconium and hafnium have almost similar atomic radii? Answer is obvious. They have almost similar atomic radii as a consequence of lanthanoid contraction, due to which their properties are also similar. Now, the size of trivalent lanthanoid cation decreases with increase in atomic number Y. Again the reason is same, due to poor shielding effect of F electrons. So, valence electrons are strongly attracted towards nucleus. Effective nuclear charge increases and hence ionic size decreases. Now some uses of lanthanoids. Number 1, production of alloy steel for plates and pipes. Number 2, a very important use, that is mixed metal. It is also an alloy consisting of lanthanoid metal near about 95% and iron near about 5%. Along with it, traces of sulfur, carbon, calcium and aluminium are also present in it. It is used to make bullets, shells and lighter flints. And the next use is mixed oxides of lanthanoids are employed as catalyst in petroleum cracking. So many topics of the F block elements have been deleted from the syllabus for this year, but I think at least this much you should know. Thank you.